having trouble with a remote control, if none of the buttons on the remote control operate in any way at all, including the power button, in our remotes, when you press the power button, the red LED on the remote should flash while you're mashing the power button. If none of these operate, then turn the remote over. On the back, there's a place that has an icon to push. If you push at that location, it will open the battery compartment. One battery is positive top, the other battery is negative top. Remove the batteries and replace the batteries with new batteries. Once you install new batteries, set the tab in place as you see here and slide the back cover upward towards the front of the remote to snap it in place. Now, when you press the power key, it should light. If it does and the TV still doesn't come on, the TV needs service. If the power key turns on and turns the television on, and you're having problems with certain keys not working, many of the keys in our motion remotes will work even if it's not paired to the television. On all of our remotes, to pair a motion remote with the TV, you press and hold the home key and the return key at the same time. If you hold those down for a few seconds, the power LED will begin to blink. When that starts blinking, release those two keys, and now your remote has been reset. To pair the remote with the television, you press the power key first to turn the television on. Once the TV comes on, then you press the thumb wheel and you should get registering new Magic Remote, and then Magic Remote has been successfully registered. If that's operating, now this remote is programmed to operate that TV and everything should be working correctly.